How to post Instagram story on laptop. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post Instagram story on laptop. Instagram doesn't officially support posting stories directly from laptop through its web interface. However, you can use a workaround using Chrome's developer tools to emulate a mobile device and post stories. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Chrome browser on your device and at the search bar type instagram.com. Then press enter to search it. You will land on the official website of Instagram. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, right-click anywhere on the page and from this menu click on this inspect to open the developer tools. Once you do so, at the right side you will find the developer tools. In this developer tools panel, click on this toggle device toolbar icon, which looks like a phone or a tablet. Once you press this will switch the view to simulate a mobile device. After switching to mobile view, now refresh the Instagram page to make sure it loads properly as if you were accessing it from a mobile device. After doing that, you will find this profile icon with your story option at the top left. Click on your profile picture or the plus icon from the top left to add a new story. Once you do so, now you can choose photos and videos to add to your story. Select the photo to upload as your story. Once you have done that, you can make any necessary edits like adding text, stickers, or drawings if desired. Then once you have done it, click on this add to story at the bottom to publish it. Wait for a while until it uploads. And then you can see you have successfully posted Instagram story from laptop. Now you can click on your story option and view your story. So in this way you can post Instagram story on laptop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.